How is it going, everybody? You're watching Denabal Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to do this. How to control your Apple TV from your Apple Watch. Absolutely incredible. As you can see, it's extremely responsive, it's instant, and you can do anything you could from your iPhone or from your remote directly from your wrist. Absolutely amazing. And without further ado, let me just show you how you can set it up on your Apple Watch. Let's go. So the setup process is actually very easy because we don't even need to download anything. All you have to do is grab our iPhone and then make sure that it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that the Apple TV is connected to. Okay, so grab your iPhone, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, and make sure the iPhone is connected to the very same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, they won't be able to communicate. Okay, that's it. Now let's get the Apple Watch. With the Apple Watch, all you have to do is press the digital crown, and then you're gonna have a look at all your apps, and then look for the remote app. As you guys can see, the remote app will be this guy right here, which is a play button around a blue circle. That's it. That's the one. It's already pre-installed on every Apple Watch, so then you don't even need to download anything. If it's your first time, you're gonna see this screen right here, which is going to be your Apple TV name. And then if you scroll down, you can see other Apple TV devices if you have more than one, and even you can add a device manually if you want to. But if you're connected to the same, if your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your Apple TV is, like I explained to you before, it's going to pop up right here. So all you have to do is tap on it. And then that's it, guys. That's literally it. As you can see, we have a pretty big trackpad. Not really big because, as you can see, the Apple Watch is quite small. And then that would be the exact same trackpad we have on the controller. And then we have the menu button, which we can press to actually wake our Apple TV. And we can use it even to wake it when it's completely off, or wake it when it is like showing as the wallpaper on the screensaver screen. As you just saw, the menu button will wake your Apple TV. Of course, you have a play pause button, and then you can move around as you're seeing behind me, and everything is going on. And it just works perfectly, guys. Honestly, if we have a look at, for example, our music, we just had a look at YouTube in the intro, right? But music will work as well. You can tap on it, it will automatically start playing, as you guys can see. And I'm already gonna pause because I don't wanna get any problems with copyright or anything like that. So then, as you guys can see, it's perfect, extremely convenient. I honestly think it's much better to actually use the Apple Watch to control the Apple TV rather than the iPhone, because you feel really connected to a movie or to a content if you don't have your iPhone around. So I always like to watch content on Apple TV without my iPhone and just use my Apple Watch here to play, pause, go backwards and forwards, or anything that I need. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I really love doing it. I learned a lot by filming it, and if you did too, please make sure to hit the like button down below. Also the comment box, I really do appreciate all your feedback. And also hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I post new videos twice a week. I bet you're gonna love them. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye bye.